Yeah, 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. How is it going? How are you, smart listeners and viewers, wherever you are? How are you? Yes, good evening. Of course, as usually, guys, we are here as part of your live English discussion Smart FM with English communities and with me, RD Sam. And of course, this evening we have a special topic, and I'm not alone here. We have a special friend. We have a friends from a few English communities in South Sulawesi, especially in Makassar. And of course, it will be fun. And before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, I would like, of course, to invite them one by one to introduce themselves to you guys, smart listeners and viewers, wherever you are. Yes, okay, this evening at 7 until 8 p.m., of course, we conduct our program. Yeah, of course, namely Smart Up Your Life English Discussion Smart FM with English Communities. And, okay, langsung saja. Okay, hello guys, please use this, come on. Okay, hello guys.
Hi.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
Of course, I'm good.
Okay, please make it
Uh,
close.
I'm
How are
good.
you?
I'm great.
Great.
Feeling great.
Great.
Yeah.
Feel amazing.
Yeah.
Pretty good and etc. Yeah, welcome guests here in our second home in Smart FM in English program, of course. And yes, as I mentioned in my promise to smart listeners and viewers wherever they that I would like to invite you guys one by one to introduce yourself. Okay, please introduce yourself to smart listeners and viewers. Of course, what is your name? What is your English community? What about the agenda and how it looks like? Come on.
Okay, hello guys.
Hello.
So you might guys know my name already. So I've been here 3 times.
Mhm.
So my name is Sakina, but a lot of people call me Sakina. And I'm here.
Everybody say hi, Sakina. Hi, Sakina. Okay.
Yeah,
come on.
and I'm here for representing BMC, which is stand for British English Club Indonesia.
Yes.
So it's a kind of like a new community that we started for about almost a month, I guess.
Yes.
And yeah, we're agenda for our every week is just like a meeting about we discuss about different topics.
Mhm.
So yeah,
Different topic, different time, different location,
different
right?
vacation, different days, different.
All of you are members, right? Okay. So how do we call you? Kina.
Yeah, you can call me Kina, Ina, so whatever you like.
Okay, welcome back, Kina. This is your third time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, welcome back. Okay, thank you. Next, please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your community? How it looks like? And what about the agenda? Come on, please.
All right. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So my name is Rahmadani Aziz. Just call me Dania.
Mhm.
So I'm here. I'm representing MBC,
Mhm.
which stand for Mak
Stand
Bicara
okay.
community. So because I'm here, so absolutely MBC is one of English community in Makassar.
Mhm.
But actually, we could say that MBC is one of polyglot community
Mhm.
in Makassar because we just not like have a class in English, but we
Mhm.
have classes in
Mhm.
Mandarin, Japanese, Korean, Thailand,
Wow.
Arabic, and many more.
Wow, great.
Yes,
Okay.
and every single month we sometimes 8 run for 8 meeting
8 meeting
Eight
in a
meet-
month.
in a month,
Okay.
and one language
Okay.
per one language
Per one language, eight
Eight
meetings
meetings,
in
yes.
a month.
in a month.
Okay.
4 times for offline class
Mhm.
and 4 times for online class.
Okay.
So you can just pick it up whichever you're feeling comfortable for you guys,
Mhm.
online or offline class. And actually it's free,
Mhm.
guys. So no charge at all, like your theme
Mhm.
before, like no charge, free, no charge. What's your theme before last week? Maybe no charge.
Oh, you are in
Yeah,
this
yeah,
group also.
yeah.
Oh my god.
I saw you on YouTube, free of charge.
Yeah, free of charge.
Free of
Uh-huh.
charge, something like that. So it's free of charge, guys. So
Mhm.
if you're curious about our schedule and you want to join in
Uh-huh.
our MBC, our MBC. So just check out our Instagram in @makbicara_community. Thank
Okay.
you.
Welcome.
Yes.
Yeah? Not welcome back. Welcome. This is because this is your first time,
Yeah,
right?
this is my first
Okay,
time.
nice to meet you. Welcome, Dania. Okay, next, please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your community? How looks like, and what about the agenda? Come on.
Hi, good evening. My name is Machika Kayenga. You can call me Kai for short. And I'm here representing for PMEC, stand for Polytechnic Makassar English Club.
Okay.
And I actually just joined this club and I didn't know much about this club.
Okay, it's
yet.
okay because you're a newbie, right?
Yes, I'm a
Okay,
newbie.
come on.
And I actually didn't really know like much about this club, but
It's fine.
I'm still learning. And
So, how do we call you?
uh,
How do we call you? What is your nickname?
my nickname is K. You can call me K for short.
K.
K for short.
K.
K.
Okay, K. K. Welcome, K. Yeah.
Thank
Okay,
you,
I'll be
sir.
back to you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
what about you? Please, you know the clue, right?
Okay.
Okay, come on.
Okay, guys. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
So, thank you, Mr. Sam, for the opportunity.
Mhm.
Hello, Smart FM, the watchers and
Listeners.
Yeah, listeners.
Mhm.
So, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Indra Yudhistira, but you can call me Indra or Yudis whenever you want. Make you
Oh
comfort.
my God, our color is
Yeah,
same,
we
right?
have the same color.
Yes.
Uh,
This is also.
But sometimes with this color, people think that we are from a political party, and that's so hilarious when hear that. So I representing of New Generation Club,
Mhm.
or people used to
Stand
know,
for?
yeah, like NGCs. uh, our communities of
Mhm.
course have a lot agenda, but for example like English camp, in 1 year this year we have already done 5 maybe or 4 English camp.
Oh wow.
Yeah, 4. And for the intensive meeting it's maybe almost every week. and the weekly in that weekly intensive meeting is we talk about grammar, and for weekly meeting we talk about how to improve our speaking skills.
Okay.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, so NGC, it's what stand for actually. So the smart listeners know for sure about the stand for abbreviation of NGC. It's what is NGC?
Can you
New generation?
new
right?
generation? Yeah,
New generation.
Yeah.
See what about C?
C club.
New generation club.
Yeah.
Okay, that's clear. So NGC is new generation club, guys. Yeah. Okay. What about the social media? Can you mention?
Okay, you can follow us on Instagram, ngc.official.
Okay, please, yeah, follow and ask anything. Do not hesitate. Yeah, come join to us, all of communities, guys, because free of charge, right?
Yeah.
Free of charge. Okay, but for sure, yeah, PMEs, if you want to join us, or maybe you can collaborate. Yeah, you may also, right? Just comment, just DM. Yeah, ask. Do not hesitate and ask anything about your curiosity. Okay, guys, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you use this? Are you ready, guys?
Yes, ready.
Okay, giving applause for us. Yes, and as I mentioned, that my promise that our topic for this evening is self-talk and affirmation. Give big one applause once again. Okay, talking about self-talk and affirmation. This is very related with how we motivate ourselves. I mean, like, actually, you don't need to give motivation from the outside, but motivation can come to your inner. That's why when you motivate yourself, we call self-talk and affirmation. In bahasa, bicara dengan diri sendiri dan mengafirmasi, ya, mengafirmasi diri kita. So we can motivate, yeah, we can create that motivation itself, something like that. What is the goals? The goals is we can produce positive vibration, positive thinking, positive action, positive aura, yeah, and positive effect, of course. That's the goals of self-talk and affirmation. And my question, goes to, for the first, is Sakina. Okay, this is a scientific topic. How do you think about the topic itself, self-talk and affirmation?
Well, about talking about affirmation and self-talk, I think it's affirmation itself. It's about a practice that reminding ourselves about our values, strength, and our positive qualities,
Mhm.
of course. And I think it's very related to people who has mental illness.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Mhm.
because they struggle a bit with their self. That's
Mhm.
why they.
Especially for Gen Z, maybe.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Gen Z is a very hot topic. Hot is. Oh my God.
Yeah.
All of you guys are a Gen Z. Sorry.
Because there's a modern.
Millionaire. Okay. Okay.
Because we are exposed with our different modern digital era, so there's so many exposure that
Yeah.
we have seen in the internet and
And easy to be stressed.
yeah,
right?
like we take a lot of information at once, so it's kind of our brain is processing like yeah. So like and self-talk is like a inner voice that we have in our head, the way we communicate with ourselves, whether it's
Mhm.
positive or negative negative talk,
Okay.
that whether it's silently or loud,
Mhm.
and that can impact our self-affirmation as well. So it's kind of
I see. Okay, thank you, Kina. Now, Dania, how do you think about topic itself for this evening?
Yeah, that's a great topic. So that's why I offer myself to stand here.
Really? You
Yeah.
grab it fast?
Yeah, I asked the founder of MBC, could I? Yeah, sure.
You're offering yourself. Okay, come on, me.
Yeah, because this is me. When I saw the topic,
Mhm.
self-talk, it's me. Because I always do this.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know why. I don't know how to explain, but actually, it's more like
Maybe when you alone,
sometimes with my
Even
husband.
not-
That's my husband.
even not alone.
Yes, but just my husband.
Okay.
Sometimes I come out with there
Okay.
is something like this, and I self-talk, and there is word come out from my mouth like, oh my God,
Mhm.
I directly sing.
Mhm.
So they didn't realize that I self-talk that,
Mhm.
but the word came out from my
Sometimes you didn't realize
Yeah.
it. Okay.
yeah.
But self-talk, there are two self-talk, positive and negative
Yeah.
self-talk. But when we talk about affirmation, automatically, absolutely, affirmation is positive.
Of
But
course.
self-talk itself, there are two,
Yeah.
positive and negative.
Yeah.
So, did you always feel both self-talk in the same time?
No. Just positive.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, it's great.
Just positive.
Negative like, oh my God, shy. Oh my God, I cannot do it. Oh
Yeah,
my
I don't
God.
like that one.
Oh my God, there is ada itu. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is a negative self-talk. But
I know.
positive is,
I can't.
I can do it.
Yeah.
I'm beauty. I'm handsome. I can. I'm famous. That's a positive self-talk, something
Yeah.
like that. But if you overconfident, it's not positive. My God. It's to be negative. Oh my God. So you say you always positive self-talk. What kind of positive self-talk you did?
Sometimes I think it's a kind of affirmation because I want to be like this. So
Mhm.
I talk to myself like.
Mhm.
So I sometimes I like I want to be like X.
Mhm.
So I directly self-taught that I
You say
I
X Twitter?
Yeah,
Sorry, kidding.
yeah.
Okay,
You know what I
continue.
mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, like that.
Mm.
So if for example, I want to be a lecturer or something. Maybe
Oh, yeah,
maybe
yeah.
it's not actually. Not.
For example.
For example.
Mm.
So I do it like I am the lecturer.
Okay.
Like that, but it is example. Actually, not to be
Like
the lecture.
imagination.
Yeah.
You feeling it.
Yeah.
Okay. You act like that.
Yeah, I might.
Acting, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's good. It's interesting. Thank you. Keep your
Yeah.
statement. Okay, what about you, Kai? What do you think about the topic for this evening, self-talk and affirmation?
I think self-talk is like inner conversation with ourselves.
Mhm.
But I think I didn't like that much have a self talk with myself. Like I
You
just
seldom?
no, I mean like I'll never like
Never?
never
Really?
really
Oh my god.
like I was just be positive. Like,
Ah,
trying to
like
have a
your brain condition is like neutral. You didn't thinking anything.
yeah
Like a neutral,
Yeah.
not positive, not negative, but neutral.
Yeah,
The neutral condition.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't you think like you have conversation with someone? Is it true? Or what is
Uh,
if you ever like that?
No, I was think positive about that.
Oh my god, you are unique. Yeah, you're right. Because most of us are always thinking self-talk, even negative or positive. Yeah, but yeah, most of us. I mean, like when you want to perform, when you want to do something, did you? If you say you just in condition neutral, conscious neutral position in your brain. So how do you execute? Execute when you want to perform, like maybe in art, you dancing or you singing, or you perform on presentation. How do you make it deal with yourself?
I just keep going.
You just keep going. You did not self talk to yourself.
No, I just keep going.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a chill girl.
Really chill.
This is unique because most of us are always thinking. Yeah, like when you want to do presentation, you have to be calm. You have to self to yourself. Okay, relax. Okay, you can do it. You can. You amazing like that. You never do
No, I
that.
was just nonchalant.
Really? But when you have a dream, what kind of thinking that you shape or create when you want to success? Do you get my point? I mean like in bahasa, ketika kamu ingin sukses, kira-kira bentuk pikiran yang kamu buat itu seperti apa? Bentuk pikirannya ngapain gitu? Apa yang dikatakan ke diri gitu? Just imagine, bayangkan saja. For example.
I was just like
You don't have any idea?
No.
You don't have any idea? Okay, I will be back to you. Okay, keep your statement, please, thinking. Okay, because everyone is thinking, right? Even we are asleep, our brain is thinking. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because this automatic. Our brain is automatic. Even we are not realize it. Our brain is thinking something like that, because our brain have a many, how to say, task to transfer the blood, to regulate, coordinate our body, something like that. That is automatic, something like that. Okay, but you keep your statement. I'll be back to you. What about you? How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Okay, actually, your conversation when with her is little bit hilarious.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hilarious.
But for me, when I heard about this topic, actually, this topic is make me interest. Yeah, in that time, and I grab my phone, of course, and see all the reference about this topic and about self-affirmation.
Okay.
Actually, the first time I heard about this topic, I didn't know anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why I take my phone and searching about that topic.
And you
when-
explore.
Yeah, I explore about that topic, and I found about this topic. It's like talk to ourselves,
Yeah.
but not
Definitely.
that. But there is two perspective. The first is maybe positive perspective, and the second is maybe negative.
Yes.
But the affirmation, it will make it all the positive. Yeah. So the first is like this is a different. So
Yeah.
that's why in the middle of the title of this topic there is an N. So that's why first is self-talk, maybe that positive and negative, and the affirmation, of course, that's a positive thing.
Okay. So this topic makes you explore
Yeah.
what the topic itself,
Exactly.
and make rich your knowledge right?
Yeah.
About the many things in the world, include our topic for this evening. And of course, you looking find the information,
Yeah.
and you, how to say, add your knowledge
Okay.
about this topic, that self-talk divided to negative and positive. And how to say, affirmation is absolutely positive.
Absolutely positive. Yeah.
Okay, do you have any addition, or you keep your statement?
I keep my statement.
Oh, yeah, okay, you keep your statement. Anyway, yeah, we are still here in 101.1 Smart FM, the Spirit of Indonesia, Business and Inspiration, with the topic is self-talk and affirmation. Yes, my second question, talking about negative self-talk, I move to Sakina again. Did you ever create or thinking about the negative self-talk?
Always, every day.
Always. Oh my god. Okay, can you just explain to us what kind of them the negative, for example,
Because
and the case? Okay, please.
because I tend to be a perfectionist sometimes. So
Sometimes.
yeah,
Mhm.
not sometimes, but always.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, I have to be perfectionist. I mean,
Wow.
that's why when I'm doing my thesis 3 years ago,
Give me 5.
sometimes yeah, that's how can I say it? It's the way I want to talk. It's kind of a little bit dark.
Uh-huh.
So
Which one is dark? Dark horse or chocolate dark? Sorry, dark chocolate.
So
Kidding.
before I after I doing my thesis, I got a little bit accident when I was doing my KKN in the
Mhm.
wall,
Mhm.
which is make me kind of traumatic about myself.
Okay.
And that's why when I'm doing my thesis, I cannot comprehend anything anymore. That's why I'm kind of have a little self-doubt about myself.
Mhm.
And I always have this
You
procrastination.
little bit like give up or
Yeah, I
worry.
literally give up. I didn't make my lecture until 9 months later.
Okay.
And it was during the bimbingan skripsi.
Mhm.
And I didn't dare to come to the campus because there's someone that I really scared of because of the traumatic event of the KKN. And
You need to healing.
yeah, no, I'm just at that time I don't go anywhere.
Okay.
I had severely the symptoms of depression.
Depression. Oh
yeah,
my god.
I've been to therapist.
Mhm.
I've been to
Okay.
psychologist also.
Really?
Yeah, and I've been diagnosed with bipolar and depression.
Oh.
That's why I told you it's a little bit dark story.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, every day I was doubting myself, and that's why I was procrastination when I was doing my thesis, and it makes me a lot of more stress until I just always every time goes by I need to some kind of because there's nothing else will happen me outside myself.
Okay.
That's why I need to I don't want to be in this kind of situation forever.
Uh-huh.
So that's why I'm trying to do not give up on this life.
Move on.
Yeah, just to move on, turn the page on the book.
Uh-huh.
The
Oh my God.
yeah, the story is already over, and I need to. So that's why I try to so many things. I met people, I join communities, because when I'm locked up in my bedroom, it's
Okay.
kind of make me stressed and just
Okay.
yeah. That's why I'm kind of, and right now
Okay.
I'm in my 25 years old.
A genius way.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, that's why you join with the community. That's why you come to here. That's why you meet the peoples. That's why. That's good.
Yeah, and right now I'm 25 years old, and a lot of people doubt me. I mean, especially my parents, because I feel like a burden to them.
Mhm.
That's why I didn't get a job. I mean, I'm unemployed, so that's why
But you are productive. Yeah.
yeah,
Don't be
why.
sad. Uh-huh.
So that's why I'm kind of doing a little bit focus on the positive side of this instead of negative.
Yes.
And it makes me a lot much better.
And enjoy.
Enjoy.
Okay, thank you. I'll go back to you. It's
Yeah.
interesting. Okay, what about you? what kind of negative self-talk did you did the create the negative self-talk, or and what kind of, and what the case?
Okay. Honestly, like like Sakina, I always do something like negative self-talk.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Like insecure or
yeah.
yeah, whatever.
I always do something like that, and yeah, I feel the impact of the negative. But after I heard about Sakina's stories, I think
Which one is para?
no. I'm not to compare my situation, of course. After I heard about her story, I think the positive can be a great impact, have a great impact. Like that.
Yeah, but can you I mean, say, like, explain about the negative self-talk based on your experience, and what case?
Okay.
Based on your experience.
Yeah, based
Okay.
on my experience. Okay. Before I read a book with the title, maybe I forgot the title. Philosophy Teras.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
Philosophy Teras. Philosophy Teras tell us to not to think a lot about that our can control.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
that-
Yeah.
Yeah. So when I learn about Philosophy Teras, I start to produce the positive, because when before I read that, I always think about the negative. For example, for my experience, maybe when I want to register at the Unhas,
Okay, university.
yeah, the university, I always feel like I think I can,
Okay.
because my capability is not how to say, tidak sampai.
It's
Yeah.
you feel that you are not deserved
Yeah, I not deserve to
to register,
to
to be part of a favorite campus.
yeah. But after I try, and yeah, that's happened. And
Because
that's
you
make me-
believe.
Yeah, because I
Oh
believe.
my God, this is a
And
negative self-talk.
Yeah, that's so negative self-talk. And after the announcement, pengumuman, it makes me like how to say, mengurung diri.
Okay. Isolate.
Yeah. Seperti itu.
Self-isolation. Yeah.
But and then the light is coming. The God give me.
Oh my God, like a vampire. Oh my God.
Yeah, the God gave me a way, the best way in UIN to be in English education department.
Alhamdulillah,
Alhamdulillah.
yeah. Okay, but you can still, how to say, can or may create the prestation, the self-actualization, productivity, and many more, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and now you learn about the process, about your experience.
Yeah.
Okay, that we have to minimize, or we have to eliminate the negative self-talk, something like that, right? Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you, Dania? I move to you. As long as you live on Earth, oh my God. Yes, maybe you have a bad experience about this negative self-talk on your experience. What kind of negative self-talk based on your experience, and what the case?
So, to be honest, I think too hard to remember if I ever think the negative self-talk, because actually I have bad experience.
Okay.
5 years ago, when I was like after I got married, I 2 weeks later I got bad to my stomach. So I go to the hospital and I get diagnosis a big cyst.
Oh.
So I should take a surgery the right time, at the time.
Okay.
But the way I respond is just smile. And it make the doctors be like feeling bad for my response.
Okay.
Because the doctor maybe have a bad word to me also. He like make me want.
And she or he like influence to you.
Yup.
the negative effect.
Yes, I think the
He or she.
She, but without any intention to undermine the institution, right?
No. Don't mention it. This is only she personal pronoun. She or he.
She.
Okay,
Yeah.
continue.
But my husband like directly like restless, like his feel like, oh my god, his word, his sentence is like enough. It's very very bad because he wants to me like let down.
Oh my god.
But I feel like can I like go to my family first, because this is the big decision for me, because the right time I get the Q number for take a surgery that the day,
Okay.
because it's so dangerous for me, she said.
Oh my god.
So I just go back to, on the way I go back to home, I just like, Ya Allah, thank you because you give me this religion to me like that. I just like feeling grateful of this, because I'm not believe what she said.
Oh yeah.
I'm not feeling like well, my husband, why didn't
You believe with your faith,
Yeah.
with your religion, with your affirmation.
Yeah, so my husband, why don't you cry? Why should I cry? I'm not feeling we're not feeling me like bad. So it's that word make me feeling that I'm grateful. So, but I like arrogant. So 2 months ago, I got a bad stomach again.
Okay.
At the same time, with different doctor
Okay.
with the same diagnosis.
Okay.
At the same diagnosis, I should take operation.
Different treatment.
But the same treatment.
The same treatment.
I should.
Okay. But different. How to say? Service different people.
Yeah, soft spoken.
Soft spoken. Ah, okay.
Soft spoken. So
Uh-huh.
it's so dangerous. So you should take operation right now.
Uh-huh.
But
Soft spoken is the is a positive energy.
yeah. But I'm not. I don't want to take the surgery because it's mine. Like I can't. I mean, like I cannot have a kids of if I take the surgery, because
Oh
my
God.
fellow
Okay.
should take a surgery, but I can because I wanna have kids.
Yeah.
I wanna be a
It's
mom.
normal. Yeah, normal. Right.
So
Everyone, woman, right?
I stand for it.
Okay.
But I don't have negative like so at the time I feel like I should have ikhtiar. I don't know how to say in English. Ikhtiar. So I drink like a ginger, a lemongrass, something like that. Yeah. And I meet with the doctor, have like with the same iman, and I mean like, because I pray to Allah like, could Ya Allah, let me meet with the doctor, he has iman, big iman. So I meet with the doctor, and yes, he said it's okay, you don't have to take surgery. You just need to I don't give you medicine, but I just give you a suggestion. Don't eat junk food, pray in the right way, and
Okay.
tahajjud, just it. And every single month my kids is increased like 1 centimeter, decrease 1 centimeter every month.
Wow, miracle.
Yes,
Wow.
that's it. So I mean like I think I ever
It's like jalur langit, yeah.
yeah,
right.
because I don't ever like, why should I cry, or why should I just reach the solution of this case.
Okay, it's amazing. Okay, keep your statement. I
Yes.
move to
Thank you.
Kai. So, what about your version about negative self-talk? Maybe when you was child, you have a bad experience, and maybe you how to say mengumpat, harus sumpah-sumpahin orang dewasa,
No,
and after that
never.
happen, or maybe you feel like stress and you isolate yourself. And what kind of negative self-talk did you ever feel on your life?
I personally never felt that.
Again, oh my god, I'm difficult to asking. Again. So how do you think about the people who always produce the negative self-talk? I changed my question for you. How do you think about the people who always create negative self-talk?
I didn't know because I've never felt that, and I can't
Just
make,
imagine. Just try to imagine. Negative self-talk. It's mean that when you speak to yourself but negative, like maybe how to say, maybe menuduh orang or curiga or tidak pede, insecure, give up, and you are not believe you can do it, you can't, how to say, and everything about the contradiction of the positive. Just imagine what kind of negative self-talk on yourself, or maybe in another people's, maybe your neighbor or your family, yourself or your friend. For example, I try to let you imagine, even you never feel like this. Okay, you get the point, right? Okay, please.
About the negative,
Negative self-talk.
about someone, I think.
Do you have a friend like
I have.
they always negative self-talk?
No, actually, they're just positive.
Oh, really? Oh my god. Okay. So what should I ask? That's Nas. What should I ask? So, but just give your opinion about the people who always create the negative self-talk.
I think they should like. I can't
You know,
really
negative, it's not absolutely jahat. Negative self-talk itu tidak mutlak jahat, enggak. Tetapi negatif itu bisa kelemahan, bisa kejahatan, kayak gitu-gitu. Bisa kelengahan, lengah, gitu, ya. So actually it's general negative self-talk itself. So your point of view about negative self-talk.
I think maybe.
Okay, I'll switch my question. what about the positive self-talk?
Oh,
Do you have a friend that always positive self-talk in your around, or maybe family or your neighbor
yeah, they
or
are.
bestie?
Yeah, I do have.
Okay, who and what kind of positive self-talk they or she or he produce?
It was my chairmate.
Chairmate. Who?
Can I mention her?
Yeah.
Talsa.
Huh?
Talsa.
Talsa City.
No, Talsa.
I think
Her name is Talsa. She was such a like ball of joy, maybe because she was like always like cheerful every day, and she has such
Really?
a bright energy. Like, if
like the gas brake. You know the gas brake?
No, I mean she
The pink one. He knows.
no,
You
she
know.
was like spreading positive energy.
Wow.
Like
Like this evening, we are positive.
Yeah.
Positive energy.
Yeah, I guess. Like
What about yourself? The positive self-talk.
about myself,
Yeah.
my positive.
Yeah. Your positive self-talk.
I think
Maybe if you want to face your parents, that if you want to how to say, ask the money, you positive self-talk. Come on, give me much, give me more, something
no,
like that. No.
never.
So what kind of positive on yourself, positive self-talk that you produce? Maybe you say to yourself, "I'm beautiful." When I going to out, I'm beauty. What kind of positive
I
self-talk?
actually always like that, like
Really? You say, I'm beauty.
It's embarrassing.
Seriously, come on, serious.
Yeah, I was always like being positive, like always like maybe can I say it like overconfident?
Overconfidence. What kind of overconfidence? For example, when you shoot the ball to the games and you give the hadiah on the mall, you positive self-talk, affirmation. Okay, I get the gift. I get many gift. And chop it. Yeah, it's universe. Sangat luas penjelasannya about positive self-talk, negative self-talk. Make it clear, please.
Yeah, when like I was like see myself in the mirror.
Oh, Narciss. See yourself to the mirror. But okay.
You truly love yourself.
Yeah.
I do.
Self-love. Yeah, self-love, right?
Yeah, like yeah, it's like
Uh,
self-love. I didn't
Okay,
really
I will to
understand.
talk after this to Nas. Okay, thank you. Okay, my next question. Okay, my next question. Still positive self-talk. What about you? What kind of positive self-talk did you produce on yourself?
Okay, honestly, I little bit get insecure with her
Why?
because you're a positive person.
Yeah. Well,
Always
we
posi-
could not find the negative self-talk. Oh my God.
Chill, like,
Yeah.
I wanna be you.
I said, I wanna be like her. So always being positive every time. And that's a little bit difficult to think positive.
Yeah.
So what is the question?
Yeah.
I forgot it.
Yeah, because in the review, the previous we talk about the negative self-talk, and
Okay.
now we're talking about the positive
Okay, the
self-talk.
positive.
What about on your version, based on your experience? What kind of positive self-talk did you, or do you, or will you produce on your daily?
Okay.
In what case?
Maybe I just want to explain about my daily on positive
Jelly
self-talk.
drink?
Hmm? Jelly.
Oh, okay, okay.
Not jelly drink.
Sorry. Kidding.
Okay. For my daily, when I want to go to the campus, of course, when I have a like presentation, so I push myself that I can do the perfect presentation at class because I have a lot of experience to speak in public and
Especially English, yeah?
especially English, and that's why I always try to push myself that I can. Of course, I will be a perfect. I will be the force of the attention. Kayak jadi pusat perhatian.
Asik.
Yeah. So I push myself like that and
Push.
Yeah.
Any else?
That's for my daily. I rarely do.
What about
opposite
competition?
competition?
When you follow the competition?
I never follow the competition.
Really? Like
honestly.
debate, spelling
No,
bee,
never.
writing?
Never.
Never. Oh,
Yeah.
you have to try it. Yeah, because you are English department.
Yeah, but I think I haven't any skill.
No, everyone is
But-
have skills, right?
I never try it.
You have to try it after
Okay.
this, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, I move to Dania. What kind of positive self-talk did you, or do you, or will you produce on your daily? Based your base experience, or maybe another experience, another people, or you, wherever. It's up to you.
So right now, for 3 years back, I'm struggling to motivate my husband to learn English.
Oh, okay.
So always I can do this. It's so hard.
You motivate your husband?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. 3 years back,
Okay.
I always
Until now.
until now,
Okay.
and
Mhm.
the Sunday I asked her to join the sharing session about English.
In
And-
berbicara?
No, IDP.
IDP.
yeah,
Okay. I think Indah Dewi Pertiwi. IDP.
So directly he said, "Oh, so easy to learn English."
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, thank you so much. I'm waiting the
Thank you
word
so much
came
for
out.
wife. Hit me.
Yeah, because he always reading book. He has a lot of book in my house,
Oh, wow.
but I think, but I think you should try to buy a English book
Mhm.
because it's more, English. How to explain it? I mean, if you learn English,
Mhm.
it's more knowledge that you can know.
Yeah, because English is a window of the world,
Yeah,
right? Every knowledge in the world translates to English.
yeah,
Wherever that origin of the language, of course, automatically transfer or translate to English, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah,
So that's why we call English is a window of the world.
yeah.
So your husband now is very significant than or compare with the 3 years before. Then now is significant.
The Sunday, last Sunday.
Last Sunday.
Yeah, he came. He like say that. So I think it's
He began on last Sunday.
Yeah, directly
Okay.
change because actually I can do this. I'm so hard to so difficult to understand what it is. So I had to learn about the grammar. Let's start with me
Asking him to join in all of English community in South Sulawesi or Makassar,
Yeah.
include BMC, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
MVC.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Any else, or you keep your statement?
I keep my statement.
Okay, Kina. What about you? What kind of positive self-talk did you ever do or will you produce on your daily?
Well, since as I was saying before, I had a lot of struggle with myself. I had a lot of conflict with myself. I had doubt myself. Like, I even reached at the point where I was questioning myself. Well, like what is the purpose of me doing in this world? Like, what is the purpose of me? I'm like, I can't do anything, like, or something like that. Until I watched a Disney animation film called Soul. Soul.
Okay.
And that movie is really bring me tears me up, because at the end of that movie, like, I took some kind of conclusion, like, even small things can make a big impact. Like, you have to be grateful for everything that you already have.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, not everybody has a chance that you got to be, like, to have this knowledge and etc. And yeah, I just keep being grateful and like truly accept myself for who I am right now, because there's a lot of a comparison culture, behind the internet. And I'm just like accepting myself what I'm truly are. I'm not kind of let people's opinion to bring me down or something like that, because they not give me food to put. They not give me money to put food on the table. So that what should I worry about?
Okay. Last, what is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
I think
Conclusion.
Self-affirmation is the foundation, the core of your
Foundation.
the foundation and core beliefs about your strength or failures or worth, and self-talk is your daily navigation to your everyday day life, which is positive or negative.
Wow, great. Thank you, Sakina. Dania, what is your conclusion about our topic for this evening? Self-talk and affirmation.
So for me, in my opinion, of course, I said that self-talk in a positive way. It's mean like affirmation. It's good for us. It's good for us. It give you a positive vibes to you guys. So I mean, like, you like don't care about what they talking about you. You ignore that. I mean, like, I don't know how to say that. I mean, if you have a positive self-talk, if make you be healthy mindset.
Oh yeah.
And make your body also health, because it's connection.
Connected each other.
Yes. So that's I use, because
if you are positive, everything on yourself positive also.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, thank you,
Last
Dania from Pak Bicara. Okay, Kai, do not hesitate to mix your language between Bahasa and English when you put English words. Okay, what is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
I think it was about like self-talk was about like inner conversation. Whether it's like positive or negative, but I can't find the negative, so I just
wow, come on, it's magic. Continue.
What next?
That's all.
That's
Okay,
all I
thank
can.
you. Okay. You have to join with BMC, yeah. Membicara BMC and GC and every English club in Makassar, right? Okay. Okay. What about you, Yudis? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Okay, guys, for your information, as we know,
FYP, yeah.
yeah. Okay.
FYI.
Ah,
Yeah, yeah.
self-talk and affirmation is the part of psychology, of course. Then psychology is a study about how our mind that impact to our behaviors,
Okay.
and self-talk is our behavior, of course, that we always talk to ourselves. That's called behavior. And after do a conversation with you guys, I think being a positive person or that's open my perspective. For example, like Zakina, that she says that she always think negative,
Okay.
was think negative, but
Mhm.
if we look at Sakina, she is a positive person.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
so
Positive
that's why,
vibes.
yeah,
Yeah.
positive vibes.
Uh-huh,
That's why we cannot judge people that look like
But she has a big problem.
so we cannot judge people by its covers.
Don't judge by its cover.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. We give a applause for us. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you Sakina from BMC. Thank you Daniel from Abicara. Thank you Kai from PMEC. Yeah. Thank you Yudis from NGC. Thank you guys for coming in our second home. See you for the next time. Yeah. Hope you see health, guys. Yeah. That's all, smart listeners, for our discussion for this evening, and the topic is self-talk and affirmation. Always listen and of course watch 101.1 Smart FM, the Spirit of Indonesia. Smart of your life English discussion. Smart FM with English communities every Wednesday at 7 until 8 p.m. every weeks with me RD. So that's all. Thank you so much for your kind attention, guys. Good evening, good night. See you for the next week. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.